Hi guys, we're going to try to make a quiz on Flipgrid. Hopefully this is going to work. So you need to go to the folder and download the day 29 quiz document, which looks like this. All right, you're going to need a piece of paper to show me in the Flipgrid. So you need to make sure that you have that. So you can either print this sheet and then write on it. You can either type all over this and then print it, or if you do not have a printer at home, you can just simply write it onto a piece of paper, each section, just like I have laid out. Okay, so you're going to do that first, and then you're going to go back to the instructions document, and you're going to click the link to open up the Flipgrid for your assignment. Oh, wait, one more thing I wanted to show you on this. When you make the video, everything here that I've written in blue, explain, that's what I need you to explain in the video, okay? So you're only gonna have 1.5 minutes to do it, so you might wanna practice it first or make sure you know what you're gonna say. But each thing that's written in blue here, you need to explain that in the video, okay? The numbers after them are how many points it's gonna be worth, both the written and the verbal explanation, and it's 20 points total. Okay. All right. So then you're going to go back to the documents and you're going to click your blocks link for the Flipgrid. Okay. It'll open this up. You're going to log in. This you probably did last time. I'm going to log in as my son so that it doesn't come up as me. Okay. And then you're going to see this. So here's what it looks like. Here's the instructions. So you're going to have your quiz problem all finished and ready to go on a piece of paper. Then you're going to make the video explaining it under 1.5 minutes. And then the last step that you need to do is you're going to attach your Google Doc link, which I'll show you in a minute. And then if you finish all that, guess what? You're free of chemistry for the weekend. Okay. All right. So if you scroll down, you'll see this button. You're going to click here. Okay. And then you're going to open up your window to see your Flipgrid. All right. And then whenever you're ready, you're going to have your paper. Okay. So you might want to practice what you're going to say before you do it so that you're ready to go. Then you're going to hit record. Okay, you're going to hold your paper. You're going to say, hello, here's my equation. This is how I balanced it. I used a 2, 1, 2, 1, or 3, 1, 3, 1, whatever, because blah, blah, blah. Endo or exo, type of reaction. How do you know that? Here's my particle diagram. This is how I drew it. Whatever, all the rest of the pieces. Okay, the graph is a pretty big portion of it, so make sure that you're explaining everything about the graph. It's quantitative. It has numbers. How did you know how to draw it like this? Etc. Okay, so you're going to say your whole explanation, then you'll stop the video, okay, and then you're going to go to next. Okay, you're going to hold your paper, you're going to say hello. Okay, then you're going to take a selfie. Okay, if you want to put a little thing on your face, you can do that, which I'm going to do because, you know, looking a little rough after 3 weeks of quarantine. All right, there you go. Next. Okay, it's going to load your video. You put your name. Okay, title if you want, okay, and here's where you're going to put the link to your Google Doc, okay, so then you need to go in to find your Google Doc link, share, make sure it's can edit, okay, because I want to be able to see it. I'll also see it in Schoology, but if you put it here, it's going to be a little easier for me. Copy that link out, paste it in here, okay, and then submit your video, okay, and then you'll be forever done. Complete, okay, and then when I log into mine, I'll be able to see it. All right, good. Okay, let's make sure that was it. All right, so just you're watching this video now. Open the quiz, do it, and then make sure that you have your paper ready to go and work the problem. Go to the Flipgrid. Make sure you attach the link for me. Okay, I'd like it to be due Thursday night by 10. Okay, you do have a grace period until Friday night at 11:59, but after that it's a 0, so I need it before that. Okay, enjoy the weekend, stay home, do something nice for yourself, or even better, somebody else. Okay, if you have questions or this turns into a complete disaster, then just email me and then we'll try to troubleshoot and see how this is going to go. All right, that's it. Thanks.